Back in 2019, I was traveling to 4 different cities in 4 different dates for a speaking engagement. I slept in 3 different beds on 3 different nights, and then I still had to drive to different airports to catch my flights. Like many people, I really value my sleep, and I'm used to my own bed and my pillow. By the time I got to the 4th city, which was PE, I was exhausted from traveling, catching flights, driving around, sleeping in a strange bed every single night. As I got to the front desk, the gentleman at the check-in counter asked me if I was there for business. I gave him like a quick rundown of how much I was traveling and how I could really do with a great night's rest before the next day's 1 hour long speaking engagement plus Q&A. He paused for a second, looked down at his screen, clicked a few buttons, and uttered these magical words. "Mr. Charles, your room is facing the main street and the ocean, which means it has a gorgeous view. The only thing is, it can get a little bit noisy. Would it help if I can move you to another room that is not facing the street? It will be much more quieter, and then you can get a good night's sleep. Would you mind if you do that for you?" I said yes straight away. Ladies and gentlemen, those magic words, "if I can" and "would you," were the key to me saying yes. People want to feel special and might even want you to perhaps do things that's a little bit outside your standard process and procedures, provided that you don't break the law. And it is always good to try to surprise your clients. Surprises could mean processing an order faster, giving clients more or less, or maybe just paying some extra attention and listening to what they're saying to you. In my case, the guy at the front desk listened to what I was saying, took initiative to make me feel extra special. I thanked him graciously, and by sharing my experience with his manager, I wrote the hotel a 5-star review about what they did for me. The use of "if I can, would you" shows that you're keen to help. So much so that you are perhaps willing to bend a little just for them. You can use that leverage to create extra value for your clients. Now here are some practical examples. "If I can get you into the next session tomorrow, would you be able to come? If I can get this done for you in the next 30 minutes, would you be confirming your order today? If I can match that price, would you be renewing your contract with us for another year?" I want you to think about in your own profession and see how you might apply these magical words. Your clients will absolutely thank you for it.
Hi, if you want to receive weekly practice sales tips and stories, please subscribe to my channel. Let me help you win more sales.